Hello. So in this video, I'm going to demo tflive. I've been working on this for over a month now, and I think this is in pretty good shape right now. What tflive is, this basically allows organizations and platform teams to run Terraform in a Terraform slash OpenTofu in a seamless way. And let's see how. Let's jump straight to demo. So the app is running locally, and this is what you see as the first screen. um, I'm gonna create a stack now, call it demo02, and we have a stack now. So what stack is, this is a basically logical container that contains multiple um, Terraform scripts, right? Let me show you exactly how and what I mean by that. Um, this right here is Terraform folder. We have main.tf, we have provider.tf here. So provider is configured with its own backend and providers configuration, and then we have main.tf, which is calling upon modules within the repository to get the work done. And this essentially is a Terraform script that we have, and we can convert this in a template and then install that in a stack. That basically becomes a reusable template. We can then have it multiple times in one stack or in multiple stacks. So let's try to register this one first. Template. So this is the repository name, branch is main, and the root path that we have for this is this. So environments, AWS dev, service main, etc. So we do register, and it basically, oh, so that wasn't clicked. Hold on. Environments, I think it needs a relative path. Shit, my bad. So it needs to be a directory. Okay, now we have it. So we have our template registered. It was already registered, by the way, but for demo I tried it again, and so this is the commit we have, and let's just see. Okay, we have the same commit for this template here. Cool. Back to our newly created stack, we do add template and we install this particular template here, install, and we need to set environment for this because this talks to AWS, so we need to provide it access to AWS. Let me copy over AWS creds. We have now configured the environment, and back to template, and let's do plan. So the live streaming of logs is something I haven't done yet, so you won't see live streaming of logs yet. So it will just wait for the whole process to finish and then dump all the logs here. So we'll wait till it finishes. Alright, so the plan is complete, and you can see that in the init logs it initialized S3 backend, and not a local backend, so which is good, which actually means that it was able to talk to AWS indeed. And there's the plan, creating a bunch of stuff, 10 to add, and then we have this workspace creation here. Now what we are gonna do is do an apply, and we'll wait again until it finishes. So approval applies are basically gated, so it will ask for an approval before actually going ahead and apply. Okay, so right, it did init, it did plan, and now it's waiting for someone to approve. Right now I have allowed for self approval in development mode to make iterations fast, but ideally it basically requires someone else to approve. And another thing to note here, we can actually assign roles to other users here. So for example, if I want someone just to be a viewer and not really initiate plans or approve plans, right? So we can just give them viewer role, and if we want someone to actually be able to apply, we can give them approver roles. If we want to give someone ability to allow permissions to assign roles, they can become operator. So we have 4 permissions here, and I think a few more should be added before actually releasing this for production. So yeah, if I go ahead and just do apply, just do this assign role as viewer, so that particular user gets a viewer role. So we have a complete RBAC in place here. Now back to this run, we do approve, and then we can see apply got started, but unfortunately no live logs, and hence we wait. All right, apply is through. It did took some time. It did take some time, but yeah, you can see that it did create all the things that were there in the plan, of course, obviously. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. This is what we have right now. If you like what you see and would like to help me building this, I would love to have you. Thank you.